Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll discuss the best 3D printer for the terrain. The 3D printer is used in any condition and any terrain. It is the perfect tool for creating detailed 3D models of your desired terrain features. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printers for the terrain. This 3D printer is primarily for users looking for a powerful printer to create detailed models with precision and accuracy. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer. Are you looking to bring your tabletop gaming to the next level? The FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D Printer is here to make your terrain dreams come true. Its impressive features and user-friendly design make it a must-have for any terrain enthusiast. Imagine having a large build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 inches, 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters at your disposal. You can create expansive landscapes, intricate structures, and detailed environments that will leave your gaming buddies in awe. And the best part? The Guider IIS has auto-leveling capabilities so that you can say goodbye to the hassle of manual adjustments. Versatility is another standout feature of this printer. A high-temperature nozzle reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius supports a wide range of filaments. From PLA to ABS, ASA to PVA, PETG to nylon, and even electrically conductive and carbon fiber composite materials, the Guider IIS handles them all with ease. The Guider IIS also excels in convenience and reliability. Its dual platform provides excellent adhesion and fast heat up of the heat bed, ensuring your prints stay in place and progress smoothly. The durable yet flexible build plates make model removal a breeze. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is QIDI Technology 3D Printers. Introducing the QIDI Technology XMAX 3D printers, the perfect choice for all your terrain printing needs. With its newly upgraded double gear extruders, this printer ensures higher printing accuracy, excellent heat dissipation, and minimal clogging. Let's dive into the fun and fascinating features that make this printer stand out. The XMAX boasts two extruders, Extruder A and Extruder B. Extruder A handles a wide range of filaments like PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU, with a maximum temperature of 250 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, Extruder B is a high-temp extruder designed explicitly for advanced materials such as PC, nylon, and carbon fiber, reaching an impressive maximum temperature of 300 degrees Celsius. No matter what terrain challenges you tackle, this printer has you covered. Filament runout won't be an issue, thanks to the built-in sensor. It continuously monitors the filament supply, alerting you if it runs out or breaks. When it comes to precision and stability, the XMAX excels. Its industrial-grade dual Z-axis support, combined with 2-axis motors, ensures stability and eliminates jitter, even when printing larger models. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is ELEGOO Mars 4 DLP 3D Printer. Are you tired of struggling to create stunning terrains for your gaming or modeling projects? Then the ultimate weapon in your terrain building arsenal. With its advanced Texas Instruments DLP technology, this printer delivers a concentrated 405 nanometers beam onto the resin tank, ensuring an astonishing 95% light uniformity. Say goodbye to blurry details and hello to jaw-dropping precision. Plus, the tempered glass used in place of traditional LCD screens guarantees a mind-blowing 95% light transmittance, reducing light diffusion and unwanted interference. Are you worried about maintenance costs? Fear not! The DLP projector boasts an impressive lifespan of over 20,000 hours, a whopping 10 times longer than an LCD screen. That's years of uninterrupted terrain printing bliss, saving you a ton of screen replacements. But that's not all. This printer is an energy-saving champion, consuming a mere 12 W of power, approximately 1/7 of what LCD printers gulp down. With lower power comes less heat, eliminating the need for a noisy cooling fan. Who wants their creative process interrupted by unnecessary noise? Not us! If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Anycubic Kobra Plus 3D Printer. Introducing the Anycubic Kobra Plus, the ultimate 3D printer for terrain enthusiasts. Do you want the detailed manual leveling process? Say goodbye to that hassle because the Kobra Plus has a 25-point auto-leveling feature. It's a breeze, providing precise detection and fast leveling, saving time and effort. Have you ever had the power unexpectedly go out during a print job? Fear not! The Kobra Plus has a power detection sensor that intelligently pauses the printing process in case of power failure, so no more wasted materials or ruined prints. Getting started has always been challenging. The Kobra Plus can be assembled in just 10 minutes with its modular design. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners or those who want a quick setup. And remember the 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen, which offers a bright and responsive display, enhancing your overall printing experience. With the all-metal geared extruder and 6,000 RPM dual fans, the Kobra Plus guarantees smooth filament flow and quick cooling for flawless prints. Plus, it boasts a big printing size of 300 by 300 by 350 millimeters, 2.5 times larger than its predecessor, the Anycubic Mega S. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is official Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D Printer. Introducing the official Creality Ender 3v2 Neo 3D Printer, the perfect companion for all your terrain printing needs. This incredible machine boasts many exciting features that will take your printing experience to new heights. First up is the auto bed leveling feature, equipped with the accurate and reliable CR Touch. Say goodbye to tedious manual bed leveling. The CR Touch gathers bed deviation data by touching multiple points, ensuring precise and hassle-free bed leveling. It's all about precision, stability, and reduced cost. Not stopping there, this printer comes with an upgraded metal Bowden extruder. Unlike its predecessors, the Ender 3v2 Neo showcases a more durable extruder with increased extrusion force. You can expect enhanced reliability and superior performance, ensuring smooth and consistent filament flow. But wait, there's more! The Ender 3v2 Neo also features an upgraded printing platform that will amaze you. Say goodbye to sticky situations with the removable PC spring steel platform. This innovative combination of a PC coating, spring steel sheet, and magnetic sticker provides excellent adhesion for your prints. Removing your creations is a breeze, bend the print sheet, and voila! So if you want the Pro 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for the terrain. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.